to use Spotify AI DJ. Unleashing the power of Spotify AI DJ. Welcome to the world of Spotify AI DJ. As music lovers, we all know the struggle of finding the perfect playlist for every mood and occasion. But with Spotify AI DJ, that struggle is a thing of the past. Spotify AI DJ is a revolutionary technology that uses artificial intelligence to create personalized playlists based on your listening habits. But why is this important? Well, simply put, music has the power to move us. It can make us feel happy, sad, energized, or relaxed. And with Spotify AI DJ, you can enjoy the perfect soundtrack to your life, tailored specifically to your tastes. So sit back, relax, and let Spotify AI DJ take care of the music. Getting started. To get started with Spotify AI DJ, you'll need to have a Spotify account. If you don't have one already, you can sign up for free on their website or through the app. Once you've logged in, you'll need to navigate to the Your Library section of the app. From there, you should see an option for Spotify AI DJ. Click on that and you'll be taken to the setup screen. Here, you can choose your preferred genres and moods, as well as adjust the tempo and energy levels. Once you're happy with your settings, click Create Playlist, and Spotify AI DJ will generate a personalized playlist just for you. Customizing your experience. Customizing your Spotify AI DJ experience is easy and fun. Start by accessing the Settings menu, where you can adjust everything from the tempo of your playlists to the types of instruments used in each track. Experiment with different settings and preferences to find what works best for you. Whether you prefer a chill vibe or an upbeat rhythm, Spotify AI DJ can cater to your unique taste in music. Using AI to create playlists. Spotify AI DJ is a powerful tool that uses artificial intelligence to analyze your listening habits and create personalized playlists just for you. By analyzing your favorite songs, artists, and genres, Spotify AI DJ can create a playlist that perfectly matches your musical tastes. The process is simple. Just select a few of your favorite songs or artists, and Spotify AI DJ will take care of the rest. It will use its advanced algorithms to find other songs and artists that match your preferences, creating a playlist that is uniquely tailored to your individual tastes. And the more you use it, the better it gets, as it learns more about your preferences over time. Tips and tricks. One of the best ways to get the most out of Spotify AI DJ is to use the Discover feature. This will help you find new music that you may not have otherwise discovered. Simply click on the Discover tab and start exploring. Another great tip is to use the like and dislike buttons to refine your playlists over time. If you hear a song you like, click the like button. If you don't like a song, click the dislike button. This will help Spotify AI DJ learn your preferences and create even better playlists for you in the future.